Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add instructions to the delivery man when you order an item or food on the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select the items that you want to order, and then you should click on the view order button at the bottom of the page. Click on go to checkout, scroll down, and here you can find the instructions for the courier option in the middle of the screen. Tap on it, and then you should add the note for the delivery man. Type in your instructions and then click on the done button at the top of the page, and then you will be able to finalize the process of ordering on the Wolt Delivery application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.